stretch for him to run.
See him on the outside a little bit right there. That's barking.
It's no rabbit yet.
Well, like I said, as long as it wasn't right here, he wasn't out here. That rabbit went backwards 2 or 3 times.
What a double. What a double. Yeah, when you're talking, he's smelling rabbit out there. And why wouldn't Easy do that in a trial? Yeah.
That little dog got a little bit and then she went right back and took it off of him again.
Yeah, without being competitive. Not a one of them. That was a nice double out of all those dogs. Gino picked it after Abby got it and turned it right in. That's why I say, that's why you run them together when they run like that. I'm hoping I come out in the path. Double again. See, this is what I don't like about them running up here.
That's what I mean.
They just automatically assume.
Think it's backwards, yep.
They're right 90% of the time, but then they get in the wild.
Or they get into a trial.
Yeah.
It doesn't but double.
Yeah.
And then they get in trouble. Gino, see, this is what he gets in trouble for.
Yeah, if you run here too much, this is what happens. I'll tell you, they matched up well. He got a nice check on Easy bobbled a little bit, and he just went right on through. Yeah. I just can't understand why Easy's on top of her game like this, and then in the last 2 trials, she's just